Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here a pork chop. Look at here. This is a marinated pork chop. So all you have to do, just clean your pork chop. Then marinate it with lemon juice. You can put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or calamansi or either vinegar. Then add garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add tablespoon of paprika powder. Add a little bit of chili powder. It depends on your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then add beef bouillon or beef powder. Mix them all together. So that is our ingredients for our marinated pork chop. That is very simple. If you want a little bit of soy sauce, you can add. But if you're already diabetic or high blood, no need for you to add salt because the chicken bouillon or the beef bouillon is already salty. So keep it for 1 hour. So when it is already 1 hour, you prepare a pan, a non-sticky pan. Then put the meat on the pan. Add 3 cups of water. Bring them into boil the meat, this one, until the meat is already cooked. But if the meat is not yet ready, just add some water until the pan will dries off with the water. And you can see when it is already dried, when the water is finished, the meat becomes brown and the natural oil from the pork chop will come out. No need to add cooking oil. Just simply boil the meat until the meat will become tender and soft and the water will gone, and just cook it slowly and turn it back to back like that until it becomes brown, and that is it. And you can serve this one with salad, fresh salad, or with some vegetables. And this is very easy preparation, and this is a free or oil-free pork chop. No need to add cooking oil when you cook these ones. It will cook just like this after boiling together with the marinated sauce. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and this is my simple recipe, cooking pork chop without oil or oil free. Just simply boil it with water together with the marinated sauce, and this can be served with vegetable salad, or you can choose whatever, potato french fries or potato salad, whatever you want to match with this pork chop. Even if you're already diabetes or high blood, you can still eat some meat, but just a portion like this. This is a small portion, so this is enough for you. And just slice this one and mix them together with your fresh vegetable salad. Okay guys, because this is how I prepare my food, especially for my dinner. I just eat a portion of meat and a fresh salad. If you want to learn how to prepare fresh salads like fruits with vegetable salad, just follow my salad preparation, just click on my playlist, how to prepare salad. Okay guys, this is it. If you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with my new videos. And don't forget to watch my premiere. Dankeschön, and see you again in my next cooking vlog. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Ciao.